Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs of Chemistry 12th, Chapter 7, Fundamental Principles of Organic Chemistry. First MCQs is the state of hybridization of carbon atom in methane is sp3, sp2, sp or dsp2. There each hybridized orbital around the central carbon is sp3. Because the central atom means carbon is attached with 4 hydrogen atom in methane, so the exact answer is sp3. Second MCQs is in tertiary butyl alcohol, the tertiary carbon is bonded to 2 hydrogen atoms, 3 hydrogen atoms, 1 hydrogen atoms, no hydrogen atoms. There the tertiary carbon in tertiary butyl alcohol is bonded with 3 methyl groups and 1 hydroxyl group, as you can see in the diagram. In tertiary butyl alcohol, carbon is bonded with 3 methyl group, 1, 2, 3 and 1 hydroxyl group. There is no hydrogen directly bonded with tertiary carbon atom, so the exact answer is no hydrogen atom. In tertiary butyl alcohol, the tertiary carbon is bonded to no hydrogen atom. Next MCQs is which set of hybrid orbital has planar triangular shape? sp3, sp, sp2 or dsp2. There whichever is the central atom sp2 hybridized orbital lie in one plane and adjust at 120 degree to each other, so the shape is triangular. So the exact answer is sp2. Which set of hybrid orbital has planar triangular shape? sp2. Next MCQs is the chemist who synthesized urea from ammonium cyanate was Berzelius, Kolb, Wöhler or Lewisier. There Friedrich Wöhler was a German chemist and he prepared urea from ammonium cyanate, so the exact answer is Wöhler. Next MCQs is linear shape is associated with which set of hybrid orbitals? sp, sp2, sp3, dsp2. There when an atom is sp hybridized, then a linear structure is produced. BeCl2 means beryllium chloride and CH triple bond CH means alkynes are the best examples, so the exact answer is sp. Linear shape is associated with which set of hybrid orbital? sp. Next MCQs is double bond consists of 2 sigma bonds, 1 sigma and 1 pi bonds, 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds, 2 pi bonds. There double bond between 2 atoms is consisted of a pi bond and a sigma bond, so the exact answer is 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. Double bond consists of 1 sigma and 1 pi bond. Next MCQs is ether show the phenomenon of position isomerisms, functional group isomerisms, metamerisms or cis trans isomerism. There those structural isomers in which a polyvalent atom is connected with 2 different alkyl groups are called metamers. In ether, 2 different alkyl groups are linked with oxygen atom which is a polyvalent. There as you can see in diagram, oxygen which is a polyvalent atom is attached with 2 different alkyl group. In diethyl ether, oxygen atom is attached with 2 ethyl group, and in methyl and propyl ether, oxygen atom is attached with a propyl group and a methyl group. So the structural isomerisms in which a polyvalent atom is connected with 2 different alkyl groups are called metamers. In ether, 2 different alkyl groups are linked with oxygen atom which is a polyvalent. For example, diethyl and methyl and propyl ethers are metamers, so the exact answer is metamerisms. Ether show the phenomenon of metamerisms. Next MCQs is select from the following the one which is alcohol: CH3, CH2OH, CH3O CH3, CH3C double bond O OH, CH3 CH2 Br. There CH3 CH2 OH has OH hydroxyl group as a functional group, which is the characteristics group for alcohol. So the exact answer is CH3 CH2 OH. There आज के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज की MCQs को सॉल्व करेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.